We continue now at the top of Daf Nun Vav Amid Aleph and Meseches Yoma. This is Yoma Daf 56a. Gemara here is in the middle of a Mishnah that's discussing what do you do if you don't have any other kalim and you have a whole barrel of wine. You got to separate truma, mais, or whatever. So it said that you can say that in the future, whatever is left for truma, that'll be my truma. Asara mais rishon, 10 that are left, that'll be my portion for mais rishon. Tisha 9 lugin, that'll be Meiser Sheni. Umeichal v'shosa miyad, then he should redeem the Meiser Sheni, and he could drink immediately. Divrei Rabbi Meir, that's the opinion of Rabbi Meir. Rashi over here says, Umeichal Meiser Sheni al hamos, he takes whatever he separated as Meiser Sheni, he's mechalet, he redeems it onto money. Demashi yesh biyad l'sakin yisakin, whatever he can fix as much as possible, he should fix. V'shosa min ha'taruvis, and then he can drink from all the stuff that's mixed up. Ucheshayu lo kalim, when he gets other kalim, yafresh bam hatrumo Meiser, then he could say whatever's left will be the truma, the meiser, etc. The point is that according to Rabbi Meir, we rely on brera. We can say retroactively that which is left is the truma, meiser, etc. And he can say that which is left is the truma, and what he drank was the chulin. We'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Nun Vav Amud Beis.